Alright, this is the perfect spot for us to stop, cause we need to get ready for the new day. Here's a pink stool for the clients to sit, 2 of them, and this is the counter. Over here, stay the trays with ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, raspberry, blueberry, pineapple, and strawberry. Here we have a soft ice cream cup and a scooper. Let's try the ice cream. The raspberry one is my favorite. Yummy. You should try it. Let's add 1, 2, 3 more cups. Let's not forget the scooper. And here in this holder, stay all these delicious popsicles. Now here inside, we have 15 different popsicles. Let's fill the second holder too. Four round popsicles and 2 ice cones. And in the third holder, stay 6 more ice cones. 2 milkshakes with whipped cream topping. And 2 swashes with mint and with cherry. Cardboard drinking cups. And this is a deep fryer basket for donuts. But now I'm gonna put in it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pretzels. Here we have cluster of ice, which I'm gonna put in the sink. And now let's open the fridge and put inside this delicious banana split. And 1 more. Time for more popsicles. Red, orange, yellow, and green. And in the tray, let's put the double popsicles with orange, cherry, and lime. Which one do you prefer? And in the fridge, let's put these 4 chocolate-dipped popsicles, ice cream cone with topping of nuts, strawberry ice cream in waffle cone, and this marshmallow ice cream cone. Let's put them in a tray and a tray in the fridge. On the counter stay serving trays with donuts, blue, pink, brown, and green. We also have cooler donuts, 1, 2, 3. I personally prefer them. Strawberry topping, chocolate one, and caramel topping. Here we have chocolate sprinkle shaker, jar of straws, and this napkin holder. And the last thing we need to do is to hang the menu. Now, dear friends, we are officially ready to open. Welcome! Come and visit us. Ice cream! Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, ice cream! Hello, boys and girls. My name is Megan.
Hello, Megan.
Yummy! You want ice cream too? Hey, Johnny! Come over here! I need to start the engine. This is the driver's pink seat, which can be rotated. This button. Look down, please. It turns the headlights on. And this is the steering wheel. The turn signals turn on and off. This button turns on the windshield wipers. This button will turn on the music and tell the neighborhood we've arrived. This is the brake pedal. When we press it, we stop the truck and turn on the backlights. And this is the accelerator pedal. I'm gonna press it because it's time for us to go. Hello friends, welcome to our 1920s bakery called Angel's Bakery. We offer delicious baguettes, pretzels, and different kinds of bread. Here on top, stay this jar full of sugar, And the same one, but full of brown sugar. Now let's open the cabinet and put inside a bottle of olive oil and a box of rolled oats. Let's close the door and open the second one. Let's put inside a jar of chocolate, a jar of strawberry filling, and one with grape jelly. Let's go on. Beneath we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, and under them 2 shelves. That's a measuring cup, half a measuring cup, a third, and a quarter. 4 different measuring cups, a can of pineapple slices, one more, an icing bag, and a big mixing bowl. And here comes the checkout counter. Time to load the bakery case with this delicious banana coconut fritter. 3 more, 6 extremely delicious fritters. Let's put them in place. And let's not forget the price tag. And here's our special pineapple upside down cake. Let's not forget the price tag and the rest. And now it's time to present our famous chocolate cake with caramel filling inside. You should come and try it. Let's put it in the showcase and go on with this amazing guava orange cake roll. These slices look so delicious. Let's not forget to put the price over here and of the chocolate cake too. And now it's time for the pies. 1, 2. Let's cut them and check. The first one is a sweet potato pie, and the second is a strawberry pie. They both are delicious. Let's put them on the top shelf. And of course, their price. On this cake stand, stay this amazing lemon cake with vanilla icing. Let's make some space for the serving knife. And now to the left, I'm gonna put this 3-tier display tray for holding fruit. 1, 2, 3. And the fruits are lemons, bananas, and berries. And here's the black and gold cash box. Let's use the key to unlock it. And here inside stay the money. We have 5 pennies, 3 nickels, and 2 quarters. And in the secret place, right over here, stay the dollar bills. Let's close it and lock it. Here comes the bakery prep table. Here on the side, we have hooks to hold utensils, like this large spoon and a whisk. Let's put in front a big bag of flour. That's a flour sifter, and using it is an essential first step for making dough. A box of baking soda and a masher used to cut butter into flour. And on top, a bottle of milk, a carton of 6 eggs, a clump of rolled dough, and a rolling pin.
Buongiorno ragazzi, I'm Angelo, and this is the cart with the baked goods, baguettes, braided bread, pretzels, and rye bread. Everything here is fresh and delicious. You should come and try. Till then, bye-bye. I have a lot of work.